new project coming in. We're going to take that motor there out of the snowblower, and we're going to attach it to this Razor drift trike here. So first things first, we're going to basically see this start tearing down. This here seems to turn over, or has good compression, I should say. So let's go from there and see what we can get done today. Welded all that up. It's not bad, but it's not great. I was having some issues with the welder, but it's on there and it's sturdy. Made a little like slip axle for it on the back. My next thing is to attempt to weld this bearing onto there and not destroy the bearing. If it does, then I have some ideas. I'll be back. Engine is on, albeit the welds look like shit, but it'll hold. I do got to extend it because it's only held on by the 2 bolts there in the front, and then I'm going to make some braces here. I did buy a wheel. It ain't straight. This should work for a little bit, just for a test. I might have to buy a rear axle. That might be the only thing that I plan on buying. I do have this just jerry-rigged for now, but I do get this to start. Let's see if I can do it again. The old electric start here. Of course now it won't do it. Come on. How did it just die on me? This was plugged in. Got it running. Let's try to put that belt on and see what happens. It spins the tire. Hell yeah, baby. Okay, another day. I got the tensioner locked up temporarily. You know, it doesn't pull on the belt. If you pull up on this, it puts tension on it, and it actually works. This needs to be rewelded because I just broke it. Gotta get it to try to stay running. It will run, but it doesn't want to stay running. I don't know if it's bad plug. I cleaned out the carburetor, so I don't think it's that, but I guess I'll have to keep working on that. Re-weld this. Yeah, it looks janky as hell, but you know what? It went when I did have it running and I tensioned it. So that's something. So now to try to get this to run. Wish me luck. As you can see, it is now running. I got to fix my tank holder here. I had it too high and I hydro locked it earlier, but it does. Now time to test drive it. Alright. This is only at idle, but it moves me. So it did. Alright, let's try this again, see if it'll go. Needs more gas. gonna do it. It did pull me out here for a second. Oh, maybe I was caught on the hose. Try that again. With my Ghetto strap here, or Ghetto pull. Alright. I'm moving! Burning up that pedal because I was stuck, but I'm just stuck in a hole now. Alright, complications. We'll be back. It broke! So I rode it, and then my really shitty welding popped off. So now, I'm gonna try to do it again. Where's the house? It's working! Alright, I got a throttle rigged up here. Doesn't look pretty. It's in a weird spot, but it will work. Now I gotta get the tensioner wheel figured out. I also got a different wheel, and I shoved the plastic wheel on top of it, and I gave it a quick, cheap little paint job. So it's coming along. Now to figure out this tensioner. As you can see, I got it running pretty decent after a decent amount of work here. Sounds really good. The belt's off now, but this tensioner does work. It's not great. You'll see me do a little drift here. I had the throttle rigged up. It was just a hand throttle for now. That was going up to there. Well, that came off. It's just going down there. Coming down to here, which will eventually go up to the handlebars. Got my gas tank mounted on a piece of wood with some zip ties. That'll be it for this video. I will dub this the Ghetto Trike version 1.1. And I don't know why I'm calling it 1.1, but I am. So if you like what we're watching, there will be more on this thing coming soon. So as always, like and subscribe, and let's freaking go, dude.